Go to assembly, select a new component. The name here we call handle root. Press OK. Go to create a sketch, select the front plane. Select a line, make a line here with 25 millimeters and another one here with 100 millimeters. Okay. Go to modify, select fillet, make a fillet here with 15 millimeters of radius. Okay, we have this. Finish the sketch, go to create, select pipe, select this path here. The section size is 5 millimeters, the section circular, press OK. We have this. Now go to modify, select the chamfer, select this edge here and select this edge here. The chamfer here is 0.5 millimeters, press OK. Now show the others component here, active the manual clamp, move this, go to assembly, select the joint, select the center of this face here, okay, and select this face here inside. Okay, we have this. The motion here can be rigid and press OK. We have this, okay. Here we finish our exercise. See you in the next videos to finish this project, to make the pins and shaft here. Okay, thanks for watching and bye bye.